fighting first from Dudleyville at a combined weight of 538 pounds, Bubba Ray Devon, the Dudley Boy.
Teams in the World Wrestling Federation have tried to run them off. The fans hate them. But the Dudley Boys have firmly entrenched themselves as contenders here in the World Wrestling Federation.
One thing these two guys have, Devon and Bubba Ray, is determination and toughness. They will not be run off under any circumstances. And Kevin?
Oh, come on.
We are the Dudley Boys.
I had a record player that used to do that.
What was his name?
I forget.
Devon, these people aren't making fun of me, are they?
Kevin is. Kevin is.
No, sir, I'm afraid of these guys.
I don't blame you. Testify.
There's only 3 things that you idiots need to know. Number 1, thou shalt not steal. Number 2, thou shalt not kill. And number 3, thou shalt not mess with the Dudleys.
Testify, Brother Devon.
You know Devon's dad is a minister?
Absolutely.
Gotta be
Their
proud.
opponents at a combined weight of 813 pounds.
How much?
Mideon and Viscera.
813.
Whoop! Sounds like the first Mrs. Kelly.
Easy there, pal. Mideon and Viscera had to go with the Godfather this past Thursday on SmackDown. And as these two head to the ring, certainly bad things are on these two gentlemen's minds.
Yeah, absolutely. There's a lot of jockeying for position here in the WWF, but I think there's a little too much information given by Mideon on Thursday.
Well, Terry, of course, I always enjoy when you share your wild exploits. I mean, off camera. I didn't need to hear about what Mideon enjoyed. Folks, I'm not even going to repeat it. It was so disgusting.
Yeah, and if I ever start changing the end of the stories, cut me off.
Exactly.
Thank you.
This is going to be a brutal affair here, folks. Very physical. And as we showed you earlier on, Triple H sinking to great depths just to get an opportunity to get some cheap shots in and to prove his point once again to Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Have you noticed how the stakes are higher every week? The one-upsmanship, Triple H was talking about it, and he's right. Everybody here in the WWF gearing up, no mercy, trying to make a name for themselves. Mideon, Viscera, Devon, Bubba Ray, no difference.
Well, of course, as JR says many times, the biggest prize in the industry is on the line this Sunday, the World Wrestling Federation Championship. Triple H enters the champion, but Stone Cold plans on leaving with the gold. Early cover attempt in just a 2 count from Mideon here against Devon Dudley, one of the Dudley Boys.
A lot of times, dictating the pace of a match will decide victory or loss. And I think right now, if the Dudleys can keep this thing up speed, they may have a chance against these 2 monsters. 500-pounder in Viscera, who's in there now pounding Devon and Mideon.
And I think we're going to see a very up-tempo contest in the first ever tag team ladder match in the World Wrestling Federation. It's the finals of the Terry Invitational Tournament. $100,000 in Terry's managerial services go to the winner of Edge and Christian.
And the Rude. Oh,
Samoa drop.
Oh my gosh! 500 pounds bridging back on Devon Dudley, and Devon has enough wherewithal to get out.
Boy, you got to respect Bubba Ray. Running right in, locking up collar and elbow, not ducking from Viscera. Now Viscera, though, gaining the quick advantage, misses with the clothesline. Bubba Ray caught. Wow! I think Devon is now an only child.
Unbelievable strength, and that's using one's weight as an advantage. Right here, you don't see Viscera trying to outmaneuver anybody, landing on top of his opponent on all of his high percussion moves.
Viscera right now is a one-man wrecking machine on the Dudley Boys.
Boy, this is unbelievable, the movement by these huge behemoths back and forth. There's 310 pounds. And look at this, Viscera doesn't even feel it.
There was a blind tag applied, signaled by Teddy Long, and Bubba Ray completely unaware.
Wow! Same move, different result, another blind tag from behind.
These two tag teams both have tremendous experience. And look at this. Mideon, with not a care in the world, not a clue in the world, unaware of the blind tag. And now let's see if Devon Dudley can take advantage.
Devon Dudley did the right thing, tried to take the pins out from underneath Mideon. Follows up. Let's see if he can take advantage. Ooh, nice flying elbow. You're the man.
Testify. Can't wait to see what's going to happen in the WWF Good Housekeeping match between Jeff Jarrett and Chyna.
Sweep the cement out of the ring on the ending.
A lot of household plunder will be involved, and I don't know if Jeff Jarrett knows the business end of an iron, but he certainly knew the business end of a laundry bin and sent Chyna down quite a tumble.
This thing started out almost like a joke, but it got nasty in a hurry. And Jeff Jarrett, who legitimately feels women should be at home, is trying to make a statement. What kind of statement could Chyna make at No Mercy in that Intercontinental title match?
This past Monday on Raw, Chyna suffered some injuries, but she'll be okay. Maybe less than 100%. Oh!
I got to know what the move, what's that called, Kevin?
That would be the Nutcracker Sweep. Devon Dudley.
Yeah, no follow-up.
Come flying in. Little surprised there that they did not go for a pin attempt.
One thing that the Dudleys do better than anybody is the 3D. Their finishing maneuver, it is a thing of beauty.
Like Trudy, always on duty, but I think the Dudley boys are going to have to maybe find another way to win this week. I doubt they could do that 3D. Boy, the Rocket Sock Connection, speaking of tag teams, new tag team champions here in the WWF, and certainly they will have their hands full in singles action. The Rock one-on-one against the British Bulldog, Mankind against Val Venus. What a night it's going to be, folks, at No Mercy this Sunday from the sold-out Gund Arena in Cleveland, 8 Eastern, 5 Pacific on pay-per-view.
Boy, right now, unbelievable. Whoa, gosh! I have never in 20 years seen one man arm whip two men together like that. And what strength!
Terry, I know we both feel that Viscera is on the cusp of greatness here in the World Wrestling Federation. And I think this performance here in this contest could be the beginnings. Wow! Oh, man! It's over. Oh, but only the save from Bubba Ray keeps the Dudley boys alive in this contest.
Barely alive. Whoa, man, 500-pound splash by Viscera. This has got to be it, beginning of the end.
Mideon off the ropes, the first time Viscera has been taken off his feet.
Boy, Mideon using all that leverage of the 300 pounds coming off the second rope.
Boy, what do the Dudleys have planned here? No way! No way! No way! I don't believe it!
Man! Kevin, what did we just see?
I don't even think the Dudley boys realize they hit the Dudley death drop on 450 pounds of Viscera.
Unbelievable tag team action. Woo!
What a way to start off a No Mercy.